Hello everyone, welcome to Code Freshly Juiced, and today we are going to make our second program, which is going to make Scratchy the little cat on the screen draw a little house by using forever blocks, wait blocks, and pen blocks, and move blocks, and play a little ta-da sound when he's finished. So let's get started. If you're on Scratch already, go to Create, and just wait for it to load. Once you are here, we are gonna get started with our program. So what you're gonna want to do first is grab a backdrop. Now I have a special backdrop for this project. It's a little grid. What the grid does is it lets you know how many pixels you are to the left, right, up, down, like that. So if you go to choose a backdrop, and the little magnifying glass also says choose a backdrop, and scroll all the way down. So all the way to the bottom. And you should see XY grid. Not 20 pixels, not 30, but XY grid. If you click on that, it should make a little grid. So first, we're going to go to Events and drag in a when green flag clicked, which means that if you click the green flag, it runs whatever's underneath it. Next, we're going to go to Control and drag in a forever loop. This repeats whatever you have inside of it. So if you have a repeat 10, it'll repeat 10, then repeat that. It's confusing. Now we're going to go to Motion and go to X0, Y0 4 times. Just drag 4 of those in. Like that. What this does, it makes him go to a certain position on the screen. So let's say if this was go to 7, 5, and we press start, we would go to X7, I guess, and Y5. But for now, we're going to keep him at 0, 0, because that's where he begins. In the first go to X0, Y0 block, make it 100 by 100. What this means is when you start the program, Scratchy will go to this point right here. It's a little dot right there. That is where he'll go. That's 100 pixels up and 100 pixels right. The second one is going to be X negative 100. Actually, no, it's going to be X 100, Y negative 100. Now this will put him down here, same spot as up, because that's Y. That's the Y axis. X is going to be different. It's not here anymore. It's all the way down here. Now do negative 100, negative 100, which will put him down here in this corner. And then negative 100, 100. And that'll make him go in a little square. If we click the green flag, he moves to the corner but doesn't actually do anything. That's because this is just going and it's moving too fast for us to see. So if you hit stop, which stops the program, and head over to Control, the Control menu, and drag a wait 1 second block in between every single one, every single go to, and one at the bottom. And hit play, or go. Every second, he'll move to a new position. But this is really slow. Like, yeah, it's boring. So make that 0.1 for every single one. You can have this different. This is just an example. And now if you click green flag, he goes around like that. That's a little too fast. I'm going to make it 0.5. 0.5. 0.5. 0.5. Now if he goes, that's pretty good, right? So now we need to have him draw a house. So first, go down to more blocks down here. It says add extension. And you'll be brought up to the extensions menu. Click on pen, not music, video sensing, anything else, just pen. And it should bring up this little menu under the My Blocks menu. So first, you're going to drag in pen down up here and set pen size to, and we'll make it 10. Why not? Then, in the forever loop, set pen color to you can pick any color you want, or you can press the color dropper and choose a color on the screen. So right now I'm on orange, and the little ring around the circle is highlighted in orange. If I were to go to the blue here, the little ring highlights in blue. Or maybe this gray, it's gray. On white, it's white. This is a lighter blue. Makes it a lighter blue, or the lighter orange. I'm gonna make it the lighter blue. Why not? Oh no, not the white. The light blue. There we go. Now, if you were to press... Oh, no, wait. One more block. Erase all underneath the pen color. And press green flag. It'll just keep drawing a box and a box and a box, and it'll just keep going. If we stop it, that's not all yet. Now we're going to drag in another motion block. This one is different. Glide 1 second to whatever position you're at. X, Y. For this one, we can make him glide, not automatically go zip, like teleport, like he's teleporting, but slowly move there for however long we want him to, and then start doing the box, slowly move, box, slowly move, just over and over again. So you're going to do glide 0.5 seconds. For this one, you don't need the wait block because it has 0.5 in it, to X0, Y 180. And now you're going to bring in another one. Glide 0.5 seconds to X 100, Y 100. And now the last one, glide 0.5 seconds to X negative 100, Y 100. And what this will do is it will make him go up here, down here, and then all the way across to here. So if we were to click green flag now, he creates a little roof on our house. Just over and over and over again. I'm gonna change the color of the roof to do a different color once he gets there. So if you do set pen color right here, and then set it to whatever you want, I'm gonna set it to the bright orange this time, he'll go like this. And draw a little roof on your house. Now if you stop the program, he just keeps going and going if you start it again. Now we need to add the sound when he finishes. So go to the sound menu and drag in play sound until done. What this will do is it'll play a sound, and when that sound is finished, it will start back at the top. And if we click meow, it doesn't show anything other than meow and record. To change this, we're going to do something we've not done before. Go up here to the sounds menu. Now the sounds menu, if I were to click play, there's a little meow. But for now, just delete that. To delete it, click the little trash can icon up here. And nothing is here. So if you go down to the plus sound icon, choose a sound, and then the little magnifying glass, just like on backdrops, but it's for sounds, it says choose a sound. And you'll just have a lot of sounds here. There's a huge sound library. Like, what's this one? Cheer. What that'll do is, if you click the play button on any of the sounds, it will... Yeah. It'll play the sound. So if you go to search, and search ta-da. No? I was hoping there'd be one like da-da. So if we were to go to, I kind of like cheer. But it's kind of long. So what if you do... No, that's a laugh. Finish, maybe? Done? No? And there's also categories you can choose from. So if we were to click effects, maybe. And we could do maybe, we need one that can do like, yay, you finished, that kind of stuff. No. Nope. Oh, here. That's perfect. That's what we want. So right now it's a little slow. So if we were to click the faster button down here, it just says faster and has a fast forward button. No. So there, it's just a little ta-da sound. Now if we head back to the code up here, click the play sound meow until done and click ta-da. Now if we were to click the green flag, he makes a house, and ta-da! To finish this project off, we're going to change this background to an outdoor scene. So if you hit choose a backdrop again, and the little magnifying glass, you can choose another backdrop. We're going to come up here to the categories menu and click outdoors. This will show us all the different kinds of outdoor backdrops. We could do winter down here. We could do, there's lots of them. But for now, we're going to do blue sky. The one with the little bushes. And he'll basically just draw houses. That's pretty much it. Click the green flag again. That's it. It just goes on and on and on. That's all I have for you today. And I hope you all enjoy your code. Freshly juiced.